Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to make app icon bigger or smaller on your Samsung Galaxy device. So let's start. First open the settings and tap on display. Scroll down and tap on easy mode and turn it on. When you enable the easy mode you will see everything becomes bigger. Now tap on touch and hold delay and select short. Now go back and if you want to change the keyboard contrast you can do that too. You can select from 4 layouts. Now if we go back to the home page, all the app icons has become bigger. Now go back to settings and turn off easy mode. And now you'll see all the app icons has become smaller. So if this video helped you out then don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.